Hi teachers, welcome to chapter 2, and I'll be teaching you how to use this template. Again, from the navigation bar, you have to click on chapter 2 and it will route you to chapter 2 right away. So what is chapter 2 all about? It is about the presentation, the analysis, and interpretation of data. Please be reminded that this template is um, a 3-chapter template. Some schools require 5 chapters, so it differs. You can edit this template and you can edit this template to match whatever is required by your school. So again, chapter for my template, chapter 2 is about presentation, analysis, and interpretation of data. So this is the detailed findings consistent with the specific problems that you had in chapter 1, and it is about findings should have implications listed from the theoretical background, include the parenthetical citation. Tables should precede the description of the table, and you should not cut tables. Sequence of tables is congruent to the sequence of specific problems, and then no graphs and pictures. Okay, so this again is just the tip bit. You can delete this if you have understood what you have, or if you have understood what you needed to do, you can delete that. So you're going to start with the profile of the respondents depending on your study. And then I added table 2 here. It's not, I did not cut it. So you can shrink the table if it's too long so that it will fit in the page. And then this is the table description, this one. So you start with shown in table 2, the blah blah, and then explain what it is all about. And then if you have tested something, so test of significance of the difference, blah blah. So this is your table, and this is sorry, I got the explanation, but you should have the explanation after. This chapter 2 of mine is very short, but normally the chapter 2 is kind of long. It is going to give you a lot of tables. My study, I had about 20 tables because it was quite long, and I presented each um, variable in a table. So yes, so you can use this chapter 2 template to suit your chapter 2 study. And again, if you would like to receive a copy, just email me. Thank you.